There is a secret of getting these duck feathers to stay curved in this position. Stay with me and you'll get to know all the tricks on how to get your duck feathers looking lovely, curved just the way you want it. Let's get this ready. This is 2 yards. Right now, this particular feathers is. See if they use grilled chicken to do this one. Oh, it as well. Okay, so it's 2 yards. So I want to make use of 1 yard. Don't do this if you want to make it full. Don't cut out the feathers from the bridal satin that holds it together. I actually did that and it didn't get it full, so I had to retrace my step. Thank God I divided it into two. So, but this is the way you carve it while it's still on the bridal satin. You take your time while using your tongue. Don't do it speedily. You set your temperature, I think mine was at 150. Set it at medium, and then you start carving it slowly. Don't do it fast. Once you do it fast, it will straighten before you're even ready to make the feather flowers. Okay, so this was when I was trying to do it when it was in pieces and it didn't work. So you need to get it done while it's still on the sewn to the bridal satin. What you do is you grab like about four of them and take it slowly, like you can see me doing. Sorry, I don't have the video of that. I was just a bit stressed when everything was not coming out the way I needed to do it, so I couldn't record that part. But just take it while it's still on the bridal satin, and then you would curve it slowly, like you can see me doing, like a bunch of four together, like that. So let's get into how you make the flower. If you're loving this backward carved dog feathers flower, then you would surely fall in love with my Peony Feather Fascinator class. It's a complete step-by-step course to create an elegant fascinator that sells for premium price. You would find the description of the link to get it in the description of this video, and I would also pin a comment on how you can get it. But if you want me to send it direct to you, you can just type Peony Feather Fascinator class in the comments and I will send you the links where you can get to watch this premium class. Okay, so I had actually rolled all the 1 yard to see that it was an SS. So I cut out the SS. So my apologies, I didn't take the measurement, but just know you need less than a yard. So even if you get a yard, you can roll it to the fullness that you want and then cut out the SS. So this is what I did after I finished testing. You can see I've already curved it with the tongue, and that's how it looks. So the next thing you need to do is take your glue and then you start gluing it from the edge. You roll. After you roll for a while, you glue again. But there is still a vital information left in this video, so please do stay tuned. You must do what I did at the end to ensure that your dog feathers remains as it is, curved, looking lovely. Keep watching and learning. Okay, so I skipped out one part. You need to put in stamen. Remember, if you look at the beginning of the video, you will see that there were stamens in the middle of the feathers. So the stamens usually comes with these small pieces of green leaves, and so that's what I'm cutting out. So after you finish cutting it, then you can put it in the middle and then begin to roll your feathers like so. So keep watching and learning. Now, this is how it looks when you're all done. Now, you are not going to stop here. My apologies once more. As I told you, the whole thing was a wonder for me. So I didn't record that part. But what you need to do is to get glue and stick all the feathers to whatever it is you're attaching it to, stay in position of that curve. Like for me, you can see I have those cinnamon loops that you can see. What I did was that I attached them stylishly. I used glue to hold them stylishly to it, and the ones on top I glued it to the ones behind like that, and that's how I did. And the feathers stayed perfectly the way it was, as you saw it still on the lady as she wore it for her event. So I hope you understood this real perfectly well. Thank you very much. If you're loving this backward carved dog feathers flower, then you would surely fall in love with my Peony Feather Fascinator class. It's a complete step-by-step course to create an elegant fascinator that sells for premium price. You would find the description of the link to get it in the description of this video, and I would also pin a comment on how you can get it. But if you want me to send it direct to you, you can just type Peony Feather Fascinator class in the comments, and I will send you the links where you can get to watch this premium class. Want to master how to roll your cinnamon edges perfectly? Then click this next video.